Hello everyone and welcome to frompizzatodalchawal. So today I'll be sharing the recipe of this delicious oats smoothie. This is completely healthy and it doesn't use any milk or any sweetener. So do check out the recipe and give it a try. जदि आपण ए रेसिपी को ओडिया देखिया चाहछन्ते देन ऊपर थिबा आई बटन लिंक को प्रेस करंतु. So to start with the recipe, first peel and chop an apple. In a blender jar, add half cup of soaked oats. I had soaked it for 15 minutes. Then add chopped apple pieces, 10 to 12 grapes, 3 de-seeded dates, half cup of curd or yogurt, 1 cup of chilled water, and also add 1 tablespoon of honey. This is completely optional. Now blend to make the smoothie and serve in your choice of glass. You can have it as it is, but I am going to serve it with some toppings. For toppings I am adding few banana chunks and chopped almonds. I am also adding few raisins on top. You can add your choice of dry fruits. Adding fruits in this smoothie gives it the sweetness that it needs, so it doesn't need any sugar. Also you can skip the honey if you need, and this healthy and tasty oat smoothie is just perfect for breakfast. This fills you up and aids for weight loss, so do try this out yourselves and let me know how it turned out. If you like this recipe, do share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.